This technology made pyramids levitate and fly. Today, it's a hidden secret. Very few evil people have it, and they can do a lot of damage with it. It's basically EMP. But I believe all this information we're talking about, everything we're speaking about, ETs, planets, this information will come out to the masses. But something needs to happen first in this world. But this information will come out. I have a feeling chaos is about to come down, and it's not going to be a pretty sight. Understanding what I wrote in Rays of Light, some of the information there can help you deal with what's coming. You'll have a better understanding of where it's coming from. The codes that were built into Rays of Light can give you the secrets of creation, history of creation, power of creation, history, real history, not the one they're teaching you in school, real history of the universe, not only planet Earth. It will teach you about frequency, vibrational energy, dimensions, fields of dimensions. We can sit here for thousands of years and discuss it.